Hello and welcome to ESM Squared, the podcast for experienced social media marketers. I'm Emily, your host and long-term member of the marketing team here at Iconosquare. Iconosquare is one of the leading analytics and management tools for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn. We're proud to work with some of the biggest agencies in the world, as well as huge brands such as Patagonia, Asics, Sephora, Versace and even NASA and CERN. If you're new to Iconosquare or just haven't got around to checking out our tools before, you can start with the basics by heading over to audit.iconosquare.com and getting a free audit of your Instagram and Facebook accounts to find out once and for all where you are flying high and where you are falling flat. These audits are so helpful and they are literally the best place to start when it comes to improving your social media strategy with analytics. If you're a regular listener of ESM Squared, you'll know that we have two types of episode. The interviews with social media experts, where professionals share with me and all of you their experiences working with social media, as well as their internal strategies, tips, tricks and more. And we also have tutorial episodes in which I talk all by myself about a particular topic, which can often be a burning question for social media marketers like you, and help guide you into making strong decisions for your social strategy. This episode is a tutorial and we are going to be covering 5 tips to promote your freelance skills on social media. This tutorial is also available in written format on the Iconosquare blog and was originally created by Andre Oentoro from the video production company Bread and Beyond, so don't hesitate to check it out there also. Once you're done with this episode, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the podcast and leave us a rating. And don't forget that you can trial Iconosquare for free for a whole 2 weeks and you don't need to share any credit card information to get started. Contact me directly for any questions or feedback via emily@iconosquare.com. 5 tips to promote your freelance skills on social media. Freelancing has become another career option in today's fast-paced world. Many opt to freelance as it offers freedom and flexibility while still staying employed. To be successful at freelancing, you need to get out there and market yourself well. Social media is one of the best mediums to promote your freelance skills online. It has vast community and active users that you can benefit from. Using social media to market your business is nothing new in the freelancing world. In fact, many have attempted this strategy, yet only a few succeed. Freelancers are often too naive when promoting themselves through social platforms. Posting beautiful content won't attract clients to work with you, let alone a post that blatantly asks for a job. There are some tricks to make yourself stand out as a freelancer and get yourself found by clients. Here are 5 tips to promote your freelance business better. Number 1, make a professional account. It's important to separate your personal life from your freelance account. After all, freelance is another type of business that you run on your own. Think of it as managing a business account where you approach clients. It's more convincing when your platform showcases your skills and experiences rather than a random account showing your lifestyle. Sure, presenting yourself as a whole brand can increase your personal branding. However, it won't help that much if your freelancing job has nothing to do with it. Having a professional account can improve your credibility as a freelancer. You can start by making a website that showcases your skill and then connect it with your freelance account. Number 2, keep your brand image consistent. The thing about building personal branding is that you need to be consistent with what you post online. Everything must represent you as a whole, right down to your profile picture and your tagline. Differentiate your brand identity when you show yourself online. When you're consistent with what you upload on the platform, clients can identify you easily. The key is to make yourself recognized even in a different social platform. You can build a personal brand by regularly posting information related to your job area. Let your followers know that you're into a specific topic and are an expert in that field. So when people or prospects stumble upon those issues, they will remember you quickly. Number 3, engage with the community. There's a social in social media for a reason. Platforms allow people to connect and interact with each other. They can socialize as if they were meeting offline. When you decide to use social media as a tool to promote your freelance skills, you need to adapt how you interact with people on your platform of choice. You can connect with fellow freelancers and follow freelance communities to keep informed of the latest news and gigs, for instance. The right community will also help you pitch for the right clients. For example, if you're a freelance writer, you'll often find the opportunity in a secluded writing job board that has a higher success rate rather than pitching for random clients. Therefore, it's crucial for you to be part of a freelance community. Number 4, stay up to date with current trends. Social trends are very erratic. They can change practically overnight. At one time, people argued whether the dress was blue or gold. At another time, they would cry over Grumpy Cat's video. That shows how versatile social media is. When you keep up with multiple trends at the same time, you can adjust yourself to build the audience. Suppose you're a freelance financial consultant and the current trend is about how younger generations are struggling to pay their rent, let alone buy a house. From this issue, you can identify common problems and share your insights. You might as well share useful information on how to be debt-free or reach financial freedom starting from the ground up. This will help you position yourself as an expert and increase your chances of being found by clients. Number 5, use social media ads. If you haven't achieved great results following the first 4 steps, you might want to try promoting yourself via ads. Today, social media advertising has become a vital strategy for marketers. It can be a strategic move to acquire clients in a short amount of time. The reason is that social ads can reach out to a specific target audience that fits your business. You don't need to spend time doing trial and error, as you can pay for the system to find your clients for you. By using ads, you can manage your content and track it later to measure its performance. Since Instagram provides analytics for ads, you can estimate whether your current strategy is working out and predict whether you'll need to change your strategy for your next campaign. But why be on different social platforms? You need to learn more about how each social platform works to market yourself. Instagram is one of the best places to showcase beautiful visuals on the internet. In fact, it's designed to present the world through stunning images. Promoting freelance skills on Instagram is a great move, as the platform has millions of active users, so you should be able to build an audience quickly. The first step would be to showcase your portfolio. You can definitely use Instagram to showcase your skills in photography. Even when you're not a photographer, you can still use the platform to promote your freelance business. However, do keep in mind that Instagram is built to delight the user's eyes. Make your posts engaging with fantastic images or persuasive explainer videos that capture your audience's attention. You can also use your Instagram feed as a portfolio so that when clients visit your account, they can instantly get hooked with your experience. Next, you'll need to build an audience. Instagram is great when it comes to generating an audience. You can set a strategic posting plan and make relevant hashtags to attract people to visit your page. The hashtags allow people to find your account quickly and give you chances to get more followers. Moving on to Twitter, the best thing about this app is that you know what's happening in real time. The trending section allows you to stay updated on what people discuss in every part of the world. First, you'll need to follow prospects. You can start by finding and following prospects on Twitter. Simply search their IDs or follow the official job board to get the latest job information. Twitter is best to use for customer services, as brands can quickly reach out to their audience by replying to personal tweets. You can benefit from this app by tagging the job board or sending personal messages to your prospects offering your skills. Next, you'll want to create useful threads. One of the most effective methods for getting people to recognize you on Twitter is to make a helpful thread. You can practically share everything on this platform, showcasing your expertise. When you share your knowledge through a thread, you have the chance to land on the trend section and become the talk of the online world. Now for Facebook. With the majority of Gen X and older millennials on this platform, Facebook becomes more like a business network day to day. Not to mention, Facebook has launched many advertising features that benefit small businesses to promote their products. First thing to do, connect with a community. There are many Facebook pages dedicated to different purposes. All you need to do is find a community that fits your profile. If you're a freelance photographer, you can join photography associations to help you improve your skills. Next, you'll want to establish your business page. Make sure that you create a professional account for your freelance business. With Facebook, you can establish an official page that showcases your experience and skill set. You can garner fans with a business page that can later increase your credibility. Moreover, you have a higher chance of being found by clients when they perform a search on Facebook. And finally, LinkedIn. LinkedIn has been known as a professional platform forever. People using this platform can share their expertise and find new jobs easily. So if you're looking for a place to get in touch with fellow professionals, this is the place. The first thing to do will be to set up a profile. You can fill out the information about yourself, experience and background, and when completing the profile section, you can also update the status to open to work to let recruiters know that you're looking for an opportunity. Make sure to note down your expertise in your profile. For example, put subtitles like freelance writer, copywriter, content writer. That way clients can easily find you through search when they type those specific keywords. The second thing to do will be to use in-mail direct messages. This feature is limited to premium members only. However, you do have opportunities to pitch for many prospects with the in-mail messages. You only need to search for companies or clients who you wish to work with, and then you can set messages to approach them. Bottom line, promoting yourself as a freelancer can be a daunting task. Not only does it take the hard work of self-marketing, but it often means that you spend more time without quick results. However, there are social media platforms that you can make use of effectively. You can showcase your experience and skills through social networks and let yourself be found by clients. Having a number of followers can also help you find new opportunities, as many people have recognized you through the content on your accounts. Make sure to follow these 5 tips to promote your freelance skills better. And don't be too quickly discouraged when you haven't found the right client. Soon, you'll find the right client who can see your potential, and the rest will be history. That's all for today's episode. Don't forget that you can check out our other tutorials and interviews with experienced social media marketers on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and TuneIn. Please don't hesitate to give this episode a rating, and for all questions and comments, or to inquire about being interviewed on ESM Squared, contact me directly via emily@iconosquared.com.